Keep sensitive to each figure. Fully support businesses. By implementing a complete financial system and adopting a robust financial strategy, we lay a solid foundation for the sustainable, long-term growth of AUSTAR Group. We conduct financial tracking and analysis throughout end-to-end procedure for each order and project, delving deeply into the actual execution details. This allows us to instantly access the financial data associated with each order and contract, enabling us to swiftly grasp accurate information and achieve meticulous, fine-grained management. By integrating the financial data with various business dimensions, such as product lines, clients and markets, we implement centralized financial management and standardized accounting and conduct multidimensional analyses tailored to different needs. Furthermore, we provide comprehensive data and decision-making supports to investors and the management. We strive to be a reliable business partner through improving internal control mechanisms, formulating standardized financial review system, conducting regular risk assessment and other compliance management measures. We can reduce the group's operation risks and provide tangible guarantees for the choices of the market and investors. As a business partner, we have a deep understanding of the market and business models. By implementing financial planning, rolling forecasts, budget control, and other methods, we can efficiently plan and allocate resources, optimize operation strategies, and build a resilient and safe group financial system to safeguard the execution and delivery of clients' projects. Through providing quick response to the business, accurate and timely financial support, we can meet client different requirements. We make financial digital transformation and build an excellent financial system to ensure a better project operation, helping clients avoid potential risks and achieve a coordinated development of business and finance integration. We are committed to our responsibilities and continuous improvement of management abilities and contributing more value to our group.